Okay, so here it is, Pansit. I just received my new DDJ 1000. It's a Pioneer DJ for record box. So I'm opening it right now. And it seems like everything is okay. So do you want to look at it? So excited. What's inside? I think they just have this manual, boards, and I think it's a warranty card. Okay, so the license key for the box. Of course, that's the manual, the socket, and plugs. The plug, the USB plug. Nothing more. Di kaya ng isang kamay. So, I have to get it by my 2 hands. So, lalapag ko muna itong cellphone. Okay. Excited. Wow. Wow. Super wow. So you have that there, you have it. A very big Jaguar. Something I did not expect that this is going to be this big. And they have a adjustment. So I think this is good for scratching. We do that. It's made of plastic compared to my DJJ RX. I think this is plastic. Although this is metal. It's like it's a sure if this will fit. So what's in the back? It's the master outputs. That's the output section. I think this one is for the boots, another one for ours. And then 4 channels in, and the mic section. This is the pads. This is okay. Check on this. So this is sample volume. Sample volume is here. Headphones. What's this? I think this is the level. The headphones. This is the mixing. Alright. Oh, this is a good thing. Nothing in here except for the phone. Everything is in the back. Okay. So that's my DDJ 1000. See you later.